Hi, I'm Scott Shainthal. I'm a software architect at Arkologic, and I'm going to introduce some of the key components of our product solution and provide some information that hopefully will help you better understand what we're delivering. So what makes Arkologic interesting is that we're providing a flash-based storage appliance product. This is different than what many vendors are currently providing in the marketplace, which is using traditional hard drives or a hybrid combination of hard drives and flash storage. Our product is based on flash storage from the ground up. It was designed and implemented with an understanding of the behavior of flash, understanding the limitations of flash, and taking advantage of what flash does extremely well. So there's some key points I'm going to hit. These are on the board here. I'm going to kind of go from right to left. On the right, this bubble here talks about our end-to-end quality of service architecture. One of the challenges that's faced by customers who deploy storage products in their data center is being able to share those products among a collection of applications, users, project teams. With flash, given that flash provides an order of magnitude more IOPS per storage device, one of the challenges customers will face is being able to partition those IOPS among their applications and their users. What we've done from the ground up is implement a quality of service architecture that plugs into each layer of our product. By plugging into each layer, we're able to provide fine-grained, tunable quality of service parameters that allow a customer to specify and meet service level agreements. Secondly, we've created a pair of modules that work together to provide low-level read and write management of flash devices. I'm going to talk about these separately. First, AFM is our Arkologic flash management component. That component has several pieces associated with it, some of which are shown here. Fundamentally, AFM's job is to provide a bridge between how file systems view underlying storage and the behaviors of flash. There are a couple specific things that AFM does to achieve that. First, AFM provides a trim module which specifically manages the mapping between file system deletions and underlying storage utilization. By utilizing trim in conjunction with RAID, we're able to provide a high degree of certainty that as objects are being deleted from the file system, that we're efficiently using storage on the flash storage array, and that we're then mitigating subsequent effects from write amplification. So our monitoring component allows us to, on a per IO basis, determine how best to place data in order to increase the endurance of flash devices. One of the challenges that flash has is it has limited write lifetimes. If we were to not monitor the IO patterns, it is quite likely over time that we would have hot and cold spots on our flash devices and that they would fail prematurely. AFM, in conjunction with SSD monitoring, allows us to, on a per IO basis, determine a write placement policy that better utilizes the endurance capabilities of the flash storage array. Finally, in conjunction with our quality of service architecture, we're able to queue writes and then integrate that queuing with the underlying garbage collection requirements of the flash devices in order to smooth out response times and provide better real-world response to applications. RAID-AS is a component that utilizes existing RAID technologies but is fundamentally a rethink of how RAID operates in the flash environment. RAID-AS provides the ability to dynamically provision RAID storage on a per application basis. In doing so, RAID-AS allows us to specify for specific application classes the size, stripe width, and I/O behaviors for individual applications. RAID-AS treats underlying storage as memory devices rather than traditional hard drive devices for two reasons. First, it allows us to better optimize for the performance characteristics of flash. Second, it allows us to better mitigate failures of flash components within storage devices and being able to dynamically reprovision storage based on the behavior of the individual components. What makes Arkologic different? Arkologic is fundamentally a ground-up implementation of flash storage. Unlike existing vendors in the marketplace that look at hybrid approaches or building on existing hard drive-based approaches, we view the problem as a different problem, one which utilizes commodity interfaces and software in conjunction with innovation and IP around flash management and flash-based storage to deliver a best-of-breed, high-performing, reliable solution that meets customer needs in the data center. If you need more information about us, go to our website, www.arkologic.com, or shoot us an email at info@arkologic.com. Thanks for your time.